Everyone, this is AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The question is given: if x square minus 16 root x is equal to 12, then find x minus 2 root x. What is the value of x minus 2 root x? So here like this Olympiad problems, logical, critical and tough problems will be uploaded, hard problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. So here more than 100 videos are there related to Olympiad. So here what is given. So pause the video and 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you do this problem or not? X square minus 16 root x is equal to 12. It is given. Now he is asking to find x minus 2 root x. X minus 2 root x. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. So here x square minus 16 root x minus 12 equal to 0. X square minus 16x minus 12 equal to 0. So here you have to add 4x and 4. Adding 4x and 4. 4x plus 4 on both sides. So what will get here? X square minus 16 root x plus 4x plus 4, send 12 this side is equal to 12 plus 4x plus 4. So here 16 root x also this side, x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4x plus 16, 4x plus 16 plus 16 root x. So here you can write a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square, x plus 2 whole square is equal to, this can be written as 2 root x whole square plus 2 into 2 root x into 4 plus 4 square. So this is a value 2 root x. Here you can write as 4x. So this 16 root x can be written as 2 into 2 root x into 4 plus 16 can be written as 4 square. So x plus 2 whole square is equal to 2 root x plus 4 whole square. Here also are using a plus b whole square formula. So here you can write it as x plus 2 whole square minus 2 root x plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. Now a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, you can write it as a plus b, a minus b. So this is a value and this is b value. So you can write it as x plus 2 plus 2 root x plus 4, or you can write it as x plus 2 minus 2 root x minus 4 equal to 0. So this can be written as x plus 2 root x plus 6 equal to 0, or x minus 2 root x minus 2 equal to 0. So our required is x minus 2 root x. So x minus 2 root x is equal to 2. I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.